Hello friends, I am Santosh Baban Rao Gaikwad, working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemistry, at Pundlikra Gauri Arts and Science College, Shirpur Jain, District Washing. In this lecture, we study most important organic compounds containing carbonyl groups in their functional groups. In this lecture, we are going to study nomenclature of aldehydes, molecular orbital structure of it, as well as its polarity, and some synthetic approach with their possible reaction mechanisms. Here we take overlook on carbonyl compounds. Before we proceed, we have to know about what carbonyl compound is and its structures. In organic chemistry, the carbonyl compound is a functional group composed of carbon atom double bonded to the oxygen atom. It is also defined as carbonyl group attached to alkyl or aryl group, that is RCOR. We can see here, where R and R dash are alkyl or aryl groups. It is common to several classes of organic compounds as part of many larger functional groups. A compounds containing a carbonyl group is often referred as an carbonyl compounds. Now here we can see some functional groups which contains carbonyl groups is its main functionality. Start with the first functional group, that is aldehyde, where carbonyl group is attached to alkyl or aryl group with hydrogen atom. Then next is a ketone, where both side of the carbonyl groups are connected to the same or different alkyl or aryl groups. After this, we can see here carboxylic acid, where carbonyl group is attached to one bond to alkyl or aryl group and other bond is to the hydroxyl group. Then next functional group is ester, where carbonyl group is attached to alkoxy group. Then next functional group is acetyl halide, where carbonyl group is attached to the any halide, that is chloride, bromide or iodide ions. Next is a amide, where carbonyl group is attached to amine group. Then next functional group is anhydride, where carbonyl group is connected to the acetyl group. Then next is a imine, where alkene system is attached to carbonyl group with conjugation. Then next functional group is imide, which we can see above my head, where carbonyl group is attached to the amide group. Other organic carbonyls are urea and the carbamates, the derivatives of acyl chlorides, chloroformates and phosgene, carbonate esters, thioesters, lactones, lactams, hydroxymates and isocyanates. Examples of inorganic carbonyl compounds are carbon dioxide, carbonyl sulfide. Now we are moving to our most important topic, that is aldehyde and ketones. These are the two most important classes of organic compounds because both contain carbonyl groups, that is carbon atom doubly bonded to oxygen atom. Aldehyde and ketones are isomeric with each other and resembles closely in most of their properties. However, aldehydes are quite easily oxidized as compared to ketones, as well as aldehyde are more reactive towards nucleophilic addition than ketone because of the presence of free H atom. In aldehyde, the carbonyl carbon is bounded to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl or aryl group. But one of the exceptional aldehyde is formaldehyde, which we can see above my head, which is bonded to two hydrogen atoms. Whereas in ketone, the carbonyl carbon is always attached to two alkyl or aryl groups. These alkyl or aryl groups may be same or different. Their structures we can see here. Ketones are classified as symmetrical or asymmetrical ketones. Now we study nomenclature of aldehyde. Nomenclature of any organic compound is done with two type of naming system. That is, first is common name system and second is IUPAC nomenclature system, which is universally accepted. Hence, first we study nomenclature of aldehyde by common name system. Aldehyde are often called by their common names instead of their IUPAC names. The common name of most aldehydes are derived from the common names of corresponding carboxylic acids by replacing ending IC of the acid with aldehyde. For example, formaldehyde, which we can see here, and next is acetaldehyde. At the same time, the name reflects the Latin or Greek term for the original source of the acid or aldehyde. The location of the substituent in the carbon chain is indicated by Greek letter alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. The alpha atom or alpha carbon being the one directly linked to the aldehyde group. Then beta, next of them is beta, and so on. For example, beta bromo butylaldehyde. For aryl system, first example which you can see here, that is benzaldehyde. Then the common name is depends on substituent attached to the ortho, meta on para position. For example, para methoxybenzaldehyde, where methoxy group is attached to para position of aldehyde functional group. Now we study IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde. In nomenclature system, it is universally accepted and applied. The IUPAC name of open chain aliphatic aldehydes are derived from the name of the corresponding alkane by replacing the ending E of alkane with Al. In case of aldehyde, the longest carbon chain is numbered starting from the carbon of the aldehyde group. For example, here methanol and ethanol. The substituents are prefixed in alphabetical order along with the numericals indicating their positions in the carbon chain. For example, here we can see 2-bromobutanol. The name of the simplest aromatic aldehyde carrying with aldehyde group on the benzene ring is benzene carbaldehyde. However, the common name benzaldehyde is accepted in IUPAC nomenclature. Other aromatic aldehydes are hence named as a substituted benzaldehydes. For example, here we can see 4-methoxybenzaldehyde, where methoxy group is attached to fourth position carbon to the aldehyde functional group. Now we study orbital picture diagram with polarity of carbonyl group. In orbital picture diagram, carbonyl compound is made up of combination of carbon and oxygen atom. The carbonyl carbon atom is sp2 hybridized and forms 3 sigma bonds. The fourth valence electron of the carbon remains in its p orbital and form pi bond with the oxygen by overlap with p orbital of an oxygen. In addition, oxygen atom is also have 2 non-bonding electrons pair. Thus, the carbonyl carbon and the 3 atom attached is lies in the same plane and pi electron cloud is above and below the plane. The bond angle are approximately 120 degree as expected of the trigonal coplanar structure. The carbon oxygen double bond is polarized due to the higher electronegativity of oxygen relative to carbon. Hence, the carbonyl carbon is the electrophilic or electron deficient center and carbonyl oxygen is nucleophilic center. Carbonyl compounds are high dipole moments and are polar than ethers. The high polarity of carbonyl groups is explained on the basis of resonance, which you can see here. Now we study some synthetic method of aldehydes as well as benzaldehyde. We start with the first synthesis of acetaldehyde by oxidation of ethanol. In this reaction, when ethanol is oxidized in presence of acidified solution of potassium dichromate under controlled condition to prevent further oxidation of carboxylic acid, this gives acetaldehyde. Similar oxidation reaction can be performed with different reagents. We can see here. First, we have seen in this reaction. Then, second reagent for the conversion of ethanol to acetaldehyde is alkaline potassium permanganate. Then, third reagent is chromium trioxide in acetic acid, where we get acetaldehyde from ethanol. And the last similar reagent is manganese dioxide in acetone, which gives acetaldehyde from ethanol. Now we are going to study probable mechanism for the synthesis of acetaldehyde from ethanol. The reaction mechanism of this reaction start with the conversion of potassium dichromate to chromic acid takes place. Produced chromic acid reacts with ethanol, where lone pair of hydroxy group of ethanol attack on electron deficient chromium atom in the chromic acid, and formation of ester of chromic acid takes place. This is the very fast step where chromate ester formation takes place. In the next step, one of the hydroxy group takes H plus ion from the acidic medium for the formation of good leaving group and breaking of bonding between ethoxy group of chromate ester and chromium moiety. This is the rate determining step in this possible reaction mechanism. After this step, formation of acetaldehyde takes place. Now we study next synthetic method for the synthesis of acetaldehyde by hydrolysis of ethylene dichloride. In this reaction, ethylene dichloride on alkaline hydrolysis in presence of sodium hydroxide gives unstable geminal diol, which easily loses water molecule and produce acetaldehyde. In its possible reaction mechanism, hydroxy group of sodium hydroxide attacks on electron deficient carbon atom with removal of one of the chlorine from the acetylene dichloride, because chlorine is good leaving group. Again, another molecule of sodium hydroxide reacts as like before and forms geminal ethylene diol. This is very unstable intermediate. It converts into acetaldehyde with the loss of water molecule. Next synthetic method for the preparation of acetaldehyde by hydration of acetylene or alkyne. It can be prepared by bubbling acetylene through 30% of sulfuric acid containing 1% of mercuric sulfate. It forms unstable vinyl chloride. With the loss of water molecule, we give acetaldehyde. In this possible reaction mechanism, water molecule adds to acetylene to form vinyl alcohol, that is enol intermediate, which on tautomerism in aldoenol form gives our required product acetaldehyde. Here we completed synthetic reactions of acetaldehyde. Now we study some synthetic methods for the synthesis of benzaldehyde. Now we start with the first synthetic method for the synthesis of benzaldehyde by formulation of benzene. This reaction is also known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. In this reaction, mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid gas passing through the ethereal solution of benzene containing aluminum chloride and small amount of cuprous chloride. This gives our product benzaldehyde. Now we see possible reaction mechanism for Gattermann-Koch reaction. This reaction mechanism start with the formation of reactive species, that is formyl chloride, which is later on reacts with benzene ring. In this mechanism, carbon monoxide reacts with hydrochloric acid. It forms formyl chloride. In next step, nucleophilic attack of benzene on electron deficient carbon of formyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid, that is aluminium chloride, takes place. This forms benzaldehyde with recovery of hydrochloric acid and aluminium chloride. Now we study next synthetic method for the synthesis of benzaldehyde by oxidation of toluene in presence of chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide. This reaction is also known as Itard reaction. In this reaction, toluene on oxidation by using chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride at 40 degrees Celsius gives benzaldehyde. Now we overlook on the possible reaction mechanism for Itard reaction. In first step of reaction mechanism, in reaction takes place where nucleophilic attack of toluene on chromyl chloride forms Itard complex. This Itard complex on 2,3 sigma tropic rearrangement gives addition complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Now we study next synthetic method for the synthesis of benzaldehyde by toluene on oxidation with using chromium trioxide. In this reaction, toluene on oxidation by using chromium trioxide in acetic anhydride gives benzalidine acetate, which readily gets hydrolyzed to give benzaldehyde. Now we take overlook on possible reaction mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism start with the inner reaction performed within toluene and chromium trioxide by nucleophilic addition. In the next step, addition of acetic anhydride in addition complex at double bonded carbon of toluene takes place. Then simultaneously removal of chromyl complex takes place. In the next step, removal of chromyl complex attack on one of the carbonyl carbon of acetic anhydride system and forms benzalidine monoacetate intermediate. This process repeated for the formation of benzalidine acetate. Further on, acid hydrolysis gives our required product, that is benzaldehyde formation takes place with the loss of acetic acid. Now we study next synthetic method for the synthesis of benzaldehyde by reduction of alkyl nitrile. Here we take benzonitrile. This reaction is also known as Stephan reduction. In this reaction, benzonitrile on reduction in presence of stannous chloride in hydrochloric acid followed by acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. For this reaction, we can use organic solvents like diethyl ether, dioxane, chloroform, ethyl acetate, etc. Now we take overlook on possible reaction mechanism of Stephan reduction reaction. Reaction mechanism start with the abstraction of proton from hydrochloric acid. Removed chlorine ion attacks on the electron deficient carbon of benzonitrile, which converts triply bonded nitrile moiety to iminium salt after reacting with another molecule of hydrochloric acid. Now stannous chloride donates pair of electron to iminium salt at electron deficient carbon. This carbanion extracts the proton from acid, which loses chloride as a good leaving group. Here oxidation state of stannous is converts from second to fourth oxidation state, that is SnCl2 is converted into SnCl4, that is tin gets oxidized with reducing nitrile group. Next on acid hydrolysis in hydrochloric acid, which gives our required product, that is benzaldehyde. With this we conclude our today's lecture here. I think all of you satisfied with this knowledge. If any query about this content, comment me in comment box. If you like this video, please press like button and don't forget to subscribe here and click on bell icon for notification of my new video. Thank you very much for watching this video.